Magandang araw po. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cordoba, Cebu dahil na meron tayong Philippine National Federation of Persons with Diabetes Incorporated, no? Fourth quarter board meeting po namin, strategic planning, November 8 to 10, 2023. Dito po kami sa Cordoba Home Village. Ito yung sponsor namin, yung lungsod ng Mandawi, National Council on Disability Affairs, CBM, saka DSWD Region 7. Ito yung logo namin ng Philippine National Federation of Persons with Disabilities. So yan ang namin ngayon dito, yung World Quarter Board Meeting, ang strategic planning po ngayon. Ito kami sa November 8 to 10, 2003, 3 days kami dito. Dati kahapon kami dumating, Sabado pong uwi namin, November 11. No? Ito po. Nakita yung mga kasama namin. Dito kami sa session hall kasi maya-maya umpisa na yung programa. Ito ang program ko namin. Hosted Mandawi City host the Philippine Federation of Persons Fourth Quarter Board Meeting at Strategic Planning, Wednesday, November 8, 10 o'clock in the morning, Cordoba Home Village, Cordoba, Cebu. Yung mga bisita po namin, guest po namin, ito program namin, no? Yun, doxology, Mandawi City Blind Union, chorals, carols, yun, Dr. Michael Alan Pilayo, President Nicolas para Diang. Manito pa
yung ginagawa pa rin yung accessibility ko, andito yung
Barang mama sa dahil lah. Vlog ako. Yun. Secretary of Philippine National Federation of Persons with Disabilities Officers. President Henrik Takuyan, Region 8. Vice Roberto Casas, Region 11. Secretary Mary Ann Zamora, Region 3. Sergio Chip Humantok, of Region 7. Auditor Ivan Anton Pabor, Region 5. Chairman of the Board. Bonifascio Casanova, Region 6. Sekretariat ito yun. Ito yung program namin. So, shout out po. Ma'am Rosita Baite, shout out po. Shout out. Shout out po. Volleyball Blacks. Shout out po Volleyball Team. Shout out po Ma'am Rosita Baite. Shout out po Margaret Islam. Shout out po Sherlock Sinelgar. Shout out po. So, maraming salamat po. Ito mga kasamahan namin. Alas 10 pa umpisa yung namin yung aming programa po.